Do you think your credit card points improve with age? They don't. They're like airline seats, limited and subject to constant changes. Banks can rewrite the rules anytime, making your carefully saved points worth less overnight. Maybe you logged in expecting a sweet deal, only to find your flight now costs double the points. This is why we need to treat points more like short-term currency rather than a long-term investment. But first off, what are credit card points? Credit card points are rewards you earn from everyday spending. Different cards offer different multipliers. 2 times on groceries, 3 times on travel, 5 times on streaming. If you pick cards that match your habits, you can earn more points for spending the same. Over time, you can redeem these points for travel, gift cards, or even cash back. But not all points are created equal, so a strategic approach matters. Choosing cards that align with your lifestyle means your normal spending can quietly fuel future trips or statement credits. Just remember that the value of these points can shift, so staying informed is crucial. Just remember, you should get credit cards that match your top spending categories for faster earnings. Also understand that different programs vary in value. Wells Fargo might be great for a cash back on a statement, but might be terrible for flying out. The rules aren't set in stone. Banks, airlines, and hotels tweak their programs without warning. Sites like the Points Guide track these shifts, warning you when airlines suddenly increase award prices or hotels introduce dynamic pricing that require more points when demand is high. The Points Guide and other outlets report changes as they happen, helping you understand the impact and find alternatives. Maybe an airline doubles the cost of a premium ticket, or a favorite transfer partner vanishes overnight. Expert coverage provides you with new strategies before you lose too much value. Some key principles I've learned is to earn and burn it. Don't hoard your points forever. If you see a good deal, redeem it before rules change. I also like to diversify. I like to spread my points among different programs so that the devaluation doesn't hit me too hard. I also like to stay updated so I know the news so I can react faster. And just remember, timing counts. If you see a good deal, transfer or redeem it when it's most beneficial. Don't wait. Just remember to redeem before devaluations. Don't rely on one program, follow industry news, and redeem strategically. Credit card points don't increase with inflation. With cash, you can earn interest or invest for growth. Points don't do that. Every day you delay, you risk lower value. If you could book a $500 flight now, that's $500 you keep in your pocket. Money you could save or invest. Letting points sit is like ignoring free travel or cash just waiting to be claimed. Instead of chasing the perfect redemption, take good opportunities when they arise. Use your points for a big trip, statement credit, or just cash back. Whatever fits your goals. Redeeming in smaller chunks can lock in your value over time instead of waiting for one huge stash that might lose half its worth overnight. Just remember, good value now beats a maybe better deal later. Imagine saving points for 2 years, then an airline changes its rules and your dream vacation doubles in cost. All that waiting just cut its value in half. Meanwhile, you could have taken smaller trips or offset the expenses before the changes hit. Don't let this happen to you. Be proactive. Treat points like a tool, not a keepsake. Use them, reap the benefits, and move on. By doing so, you secure real value and free up cash for goals like paying off debt or building an emergency fund. Remember, the best use of points fits your life, whether that's a dream vacation, offsetting a major purchase, or simple cash back. Don't let perfectionism prevent you from enjoying what you've already earned. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more money tips. How do you redeem your points? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, use what you've learned and keep your finances thriving. Thank you.